Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming basics fast. Check that your computer is on the correct network and that other sites load. If other devices work, the problem is Firefox, so don't waste time restarting everything. Instead, restart Firefox first. Once done, disable extensions by opening Safe Mode or Troubleshoot Mode to rule out add-ons, and make sure you're not using a proxy or VPN that blocks connections. These steps narrow the cause so you can act precisely. Now you reset what commonly breaks. Clear the cache and cookies because stale data often prevents page rendering. Next, use Refresh Firefox to restore defaults. This preserves bookmarks and passwords, but removes problematic customizations. Make sure DNS and proxy settings are correct. Switch to automatic DNS or try a public DNS to test. If pages still fail, create a new profile to rule out profile corruption and test loading pages there. Finish by testing network-level causes. Temporarily disable firewall or antivirus to see if they block Firefox, then re-enable them. If that fixes it, add Firefox as an exception. If you haven't yet, reinstall Firefox cleanly to remove corrupted program files. Make sure Windows or Mac OS network drivers are up to date and try another browser to confirm. If pages still fail, capture console errors and report a reproducible bug. This helps developers fix underlying software issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.